are you, Fujiko?
I'm here in my cousin's house.
Fujiko,
Yeah.
you lost weight?
Yeah?
Your face, I can tell.
Yeah.
You got
Yeah.
skinnier. Last time I owed Apple was 3 years before the first iPhone. Anthony, now you don't use iPhone? I was too. But Matty, you don't use iPhone anymore?
Ayan, meet this is my bestie, everyone.
My bestie, Fujiko.
Yeah, my bestie.
My bestie.
So, follow Stacy. Yeah.
Fujiko, you're so sweet, girl.
Yeah, I know, right?
Yes, how can I do it? What can I do with you?
You're so
cute.
arte talaga.
진짜 cutie
Oh,
pie.
you're so arte.
What? I'm what?
Nothing.
Oh, it's ever. How about I still do it for my main, but it's more for a
Wow, congrats.
convenience for me.
Wait,
John, I'm sad. Arte, like
You?
arte is fancy, Fujiko. Fancy.
what?
Arte.
Arte. You is arte.
Why?
Ay, very demure, Stacy.
Oh, is it a good thing?
Arte, a
Fancy.
little bit. A little bit. Ano ba English na arte?
Fancy. Fujiko.
Di, wag ka na mag-English.
Parang baweli yung
Yeah, hindi te. Nako,
Guys, Fujiko.
Eh,
She is very
one
famous.
cra. Ay, te. Nanay ko, te.
ako, maliit.
Ito naman.
Ito yung sarap nito.
Guys, everybody, one rose, please, one rose.
Stacy, what you do?
I'm in a Matty, thank you, cafe drinking coffee.
Oh, wow. I miss drinking coffee.
You can't drink coffee over there?
No, yeah.
Why?
Iniwasan ko siya. Oy, kayo na lang mag-translate, guys.
Comment yun na lang.
Comment nyo na lang na iniiwasan ko mag-coffee. Or i-translate nyo.
제발.
Ay, hirap niyang kausap eh.
Ano ito
Ano? Stacy, do you eat, anong ube? Anong,
Halayan.
English nga eh. Do you eat this one?
Coconut.
What is that?
Ano nga to?
Ube.
Ay, ganda.
Violet.
Purple yam. Jam.
Oh, it's coffee.
This is jam. Purple jam.
Jam?
Yeah. Do you eat jam?
Yes, of course, with bread, yeah.
Ay, usually with bread.
Nakastick lang.
What flavor is the jam?
Si Bridget,
I do.
na-express ako sa kanya.
Pares kami nagpapaya. With chef po after this.
Jalen, thank you. Anthony, thank you. Guys, please, one rose.
Ma'am Shinshan, thank you. Thank you, Ma'am Mines. Thank you, boss.
Hi mga
Guys, last two. Thank you,
No,
Danny.
it's not. The title, it's not famous, guys. Matty,
Thank you, Maya. Ma'am Mayang. Thank you, Jael. Thank you, Kela.
Malaysian. Guys, one rose, one rose. One rose, one rose, one rose.
Wala ko si Boss Burge.
Guys, times 3 tayo mamaya, ah.
Naka-arja mo. 50 daw pala. Saka ano.
Kasi nga Boss Madam. Andyan siya?
Ano ang gusto mo?
Andyan siya muwi?
Thank you, Gelay.
Ay, wait. Napaginipan ko nga sila eh.
Bakit?
Ewan ko.
Uy, thank you, Ma'am Jen. Thank you, KitKat. Uy, thank you, Ma'am Shinchan. Thank you so much. Thank you. Thank you, Ma'am Chona. Thank you, Ma'am Chona.
Ano mo kasaw? I see.
Saan siya nagsisiya?
Oo, hindi pa ako naliligo.
Halikan.
Sige.
Hindi pa nga. Hindi ko naman sinabi naligo na
Kaya
ako.
ano? Ube.
Saan yan galing?
Lamak kagabi.
Grabe, powerful. Guys, times 3. Times 3, guys.
So, kahit di naman kakagising, mukha akong kakagising lang.
Times 3, guys. Times 3.
Fresh pa rin ba ako? Parang kayong ano.
Saan ka po ngayon? Nasa ka?
Gantong oras sa inyo talaga dito.
Nakaano pa lang dito, mag-uumpisa pa lang ang araw.
Madaling araw pa lang dito.
Oh, madaling araw pa lang.
Naligo ka na ba mga kagabi lang? Saan ka tanggapin?
Thank you, Lala.
Sa iPad kasi ko napatay. Yeah!
I'm so mad at my mom again. She is so...
Guys, nag-ano kasi kami, nag-banding kami ng family.
Meron kaya doon?
Kaya wala ako sa mga vlog. Tinispas.
Yes, no, he doesn't. He doesn't.
Ang wala lang naman sa kanila yung asobe.
Not really.
Ang init ngayon.
Sa Iran.
Ay,
Sorry, joke.
sorry, joke.
Ano yung nakabala tayo muna?
Ayan.
Cardio. Ano yun?
Stacy, you're so fresh. Yeah, your face is glowing as always.
Thank you so much.
Yung ka-cardio pa yun.
Don't get angry, it's because
Parang super early sister. Ang ginaman. Ate, early nga
don't
kami.
get anything. I just don't
Super
understand what
cardio.
is my mom is trying to do.
Early na
Fuchiko!
yung ate ko dito. O, effect na pagising ko. O, may effect na. Sobrang early.
Ano ba yun?
Madadalas to ngayon.
Thank you, bestie!
Thank you.
Bye!